Today, I am going to meet up with the event manager at the hotel. I want to ask a question that one viewer sent us. What all should someone remember to ask a guest while taking a banquet booking? Hi Renu, how are you? I wanted to learn about the questions you should ask a guest while planning an event, so that the event is handled properly.
Hello Jay, welcome to Clarified Better. I will answer the question you asked in this video. In this channel, we make videos for people working in the hotel industry. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do click the red subscribe button below the video. Also do remember to click the bell icon, so that you receive notification while we upload a new video. So today, we received a question from a viewer. If you have any questions to ask us, you can leave a comment, or send an email on the address in the description box below. To answer the question on what all to remember to ask a guest, it is best to have a checklist with questions. In banquet we do corporate events and social events. Both of them have different requirements, so I have two checklists with me. The initial part of the checklist will be common. It will have name of the guest, their contact details, know of guest expected, etc. However, for the corporate events, we must know details like what seating arrangement they would like, and if they have any requirement of audio-visual equipment. Since the main purpose of the corporate meeting is the meeting itself, my checklist has more questions about the event, and what we can do to help make it successful. There should be a space to note down the payment details properly. For a social event, in addition to this information, we also have to collect details about the flow of event, do a food tasting, and coordinate many other moving parts. In order to plan an event well, you need a checklist. If you do not have one, make it your first priority to make one. You can change it after you have used it for a while and you need to ask more questions.
Okay, so I guess the key to a good planning is to make a checklist that can be used in the hotel. That helps you to streamline your work. In case you have friends who can learn from us, do remember to share this video with them. Also, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. That will help more people discover this video. Keep learning with me by watching the latest video or see the playlist to binge watch all videos about food and beverage. I will see you in the next video.